So today we talk about stem cells. Can divide indefinitely and can be differentiated into any type of cell under appropriate conditions. Okay, so can also be broadly categorized into three major types like totipotent, pluripotent and multipotent cells. What are totipotent? Divide and generate all different type of cell types and have capability to create a whole organism are known as totipotent. For example, in any mammal, the cells up to 8 cell stage, that is modular stage, they are totipotent. And if we talk about plants, then it's meristematic cells. Now, pluripotent. These are capable to differentiate in any type of tissue, but can never create a whole organism. Are also the older version of totipotent, like when totipotent cells after some time, like I said, up to 8 cell stage or modular, it's totipotent. After that, the cells are pluripotent, like embryonic stem cells, which are obtained from inner cell mass of embryo. And also the second example are induced pluripotent cells. What are these? Any somatic cell of our body which under certain conditions in laboratory can be converted into embryonic stem cells. That's why it's also known as induced pluripotent cells. It has many applications, like in regenerative medicine. It's very useful. And if we talk about some of the examples, then induced insulin producing pancreatic cells for the treatment of diabetes patients. Okay, the third one is multipotent cells. What are these? These cells are capable of self-division or develop into specialized cells present in specific tissue or organ. For example, adult stem cells measure 3 types: hemopoietic stem cells, mesenchymal stem cells and neural stem cells. Hemopoietic cells, which can give rise to all type of blood cells, for example RBC, WBC, platelets. Major examples then bone marrow and umbilical cord. These cells have capability to give rise to all cells of the blood. Okay, then mesenchymal stem cells. These cells can give rise to all basic structural cells like bone, cells of bone, cells of cartilage, muscles, tendons, ligaments, etc. Neural stem cells. Neural stem cells are those which can give rise to what? Neuron structures and neuroglia. We talk about some of the structures which can give rise to new neurons. You heard it right. Recent studies shows that neurons can also be regenerated, and some of the parts of the brain which can give rise to these neurons are the area of hippocampus, basal ganglia, cerebral cortex, spinal cord, etc. Neural stem cells can also give rise to neuroglia, which are the supporting cells for the neurons. Got it? Okay. I hope you understand them very well, and if you like my work, please support, like, subscribe and share. Thank you.